So in the previous class we have seen all the examples, right? यहाँ पर जो भी सॉल्व्ड एग्जाम्पल थे वो हमने देखे थे पहले वाले क्लास में. अभी हम ये चेक योर प्रोग्रेस 6.5 करेंगे, राइट? सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, the sum of the squares of two consecutive even natural number is 164. Find the numbers. Okay, so question number 1, let the consecutive number be x and x plus 2. Why x plus 2? Because they are even consecutive numbers. So the common difference is 2. And the sum of their square, sum of their squares is equal to, it is given 164. Therefore x square plus x plus 2 the whole square is equal to 164. ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है? Therefore x square plus x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 164 is equal to 0. तो हमने ऐसा क्यों लिखा? क्योंकि हमारे पास एक फॉर्मूला है. वी हैव अ फॉर्मूला x plus y the whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square, and we applied this formula over here. So we will have now 2x square plus 4x minus 160, which is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. Taking 2 common, it will become 0. So we will have the quadratic equation x square plus 2x minus 80 is equal to 0. So by using the factorization method, we will solve this quadratic equation. So for that we have to factorize 80. So the prime factorization of 80, 2 40s are, 2 20s are, 2 10s are, 2 5s are, and 5 1s are. So we will have prime factorization. 80 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So we need to get a two numbers such that their multiplication is 80, that is 8 into 10, and their subtraction will give us the middle term. So middle term is positive, so we will have to split the middle term. It is like plus 10 minus 8, so that our middle term is split like this: x square plus 10x minus 8x minus 80 is equal to 0. Therefore, from the first two terms I am taking x common, so we will have x plus 10, and from last two terms I am taking 8 common, so we will have x minus x plus 10 is equal to 0. So x plus 10, x minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 10 is equal to 0, and or x minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 10 or x is equal to 8. According to the question, we need to find out even natural numbers, and natural number cannot be cannot be negative. नेचुरल नंबर कभी नेगेटिव नहीं होते हैं. As x is a natural number, x cannot be minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to 8, and therefore the next number x plus 2 is equal to 8 plus 2, which is 10. So the required two consecutive numbers are required two consecutive numbers are 8 and 10. So have you understood this? पूरा समझ में आ गया? Okay. Now we are doing question number 2. The length of a rectangular garden is 7 meters more than its breadth. If the area of the garden is 144 meters square, find the length and the breadth of the garden. So the length is more than the breadth. So we have to assume for breadth, and we will get the length by adding 7 in the breadth. So let the breadth will be, let the breadth is x meter, then the length is x plus कितना उसको बढ़ाना है 7 meter more, so x plus 7 meter. So another thing is given, area of the garden is 144 meters square. So area of the garden is equal to 144 meters square. That means x into x plus 7 because the area of the garden is nothing but the length multiplied by breadth. So area of the garden x into x plus 7 is equal to 144, which is equal to x square plus 7x minus 144 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Okay, to solve this quadratic equation by splitting up the middle term, we have to make a prime factorization of 144. We are doing here 144 prime factorization to 72 to 36 to 18 to 9 3 3 and 3 1. So 144 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now I require such two factors, two numbers whose multiplication is 144 and the subtraction is 7. So we can consider 3 3s are 9 and this is 16. Okay, if I subtract 9 from 16, I will get 7. So I can split it out the middle term like this way. Let us do that. Therefore, x square plus 16x minus 9x minus 144 is equals to 0. Therefore, from first two terms I am taking x common. I will have x plus 16 in the bracket. From the second two terms I am taking minus 9 common. So I will have x plus 16 in the bracket, which is equal to 0. So when I am taking x plus 6 common, x plus 16 common, I have x minus 9 remain in the another bracket. So we will have x plus 16 is equal to 0 or x minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of x is equal to minus 16 or the value of x is equal to 9. Now length and breadth cannot be negative. Length and breadth cannot be negative. So x is not equal to minus 16. Therefore x is equal to 9 only is the solution. So we have taken x as breadth and x plus 7 as length. So the breadth is equal to 9 meter and length is equal to 9 plus 7, that is 16 meter. This is your answer. So have you understood this question?
हाँ सर.
So another word problem is there, that is question number 3. You can see the problem. The sum of digits of two-digit number is 13. If the if sum of their squares is 89, find the number. Okay, let x and y be the digits of two-digit number. Let x and y are the digits of two digits number. Okay, as per the information given, the sum of the digits is 13. So if okay, x plus y is equal to 13, just directly given x plus y is equal to 13, so we can write y is equal to 13 minus x. This is equation number 1. Then they have told us that the sum of their square is 89. Sum of their squares is equal to 89. Therefore, x square plus y square is equal to 89. Putting the value of y, we will have x square plus 13 minus x the whole square is equal to 89. Therefore, x square plus 169 minus 26x plus x square minus 89 is equal to 0. तो यहाँ पर मैंने एक्सपेंशन किया by using this formula, x minus y the whole square is equal to x square minus xy 2xy plus y square. This formula I have applied over here. Here. Okay, understood?
हाँ सर.
Now let us do the simplification over there. X square plus x square is equal to 2x square minus 26x माइनस ये प्लस 169 है, उसमें से 89 को माइनस कर देंगे तो वी विल हैव 80 ओवर हियर. Taking 2 common, we will have x square minus 13x plus 40 is equal to 0. We have to find out prime factorization of 40, and we need to find such two numbers of which the multiplication is 40 and the addition is 13. So we are doing the prime factorization. We will have like this. So 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So it would be 8 into 5. But 8 into 5 will not give us 13. So we have to think something more, something extra. So what should we think? We should think 2 twos are 4 and 5 twos are 10. Then also we are not getting the value 13. Now I don't think there any prime factorization which gives us the value 13. So okay, no problem. We have to find out this by using discriminant method. First of all, let us check the question again. The sum of the digit of two-digit number is 13. If the sum of their square is 89, find the number. Okay, we are correct. There is no need to worry about. We will find out the discriminant delta. So here A is 1, B is minus 13, C is 40. So discriminant delta is equal to D is equal to B square minus 4AC. So minus 13 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into 40. So it is 169 minus 160. So we will have 9 over there. So root of delta is equal to plus or minus 3. So that our value B x is equal to minus b plus root of d upon 2a, or x is equal to minus b minus root of d upon 2a, which is equal to minus of minus 13 plus 3 upon 2. So it would be 13 plus 3 16 by 2, which is equal to 8. And here it will be minus of minus 13 minus 3 by 2. So 13 minus 3, that is 10 by 2. So it is 5. Okay, so the required number is the required number is equal to, see, we have taken one digit is x and other digit is y. So If x is equal to 8, then y is equal to 5. So 85 और 58, ये दोनों नंबर हो सकते हैं. सो फैक्टराइजेशन भी हो रहा था लेकिन हमारे ध्यान में नहीं आया. 8 प्लस 5 जो है 13 ही हो जाता है. सो फैक्टराइजेशन तो ऐसे भी हो जाएगा. 8 5 जा 40 एंड 8 प्लस 5 13. यहाँ एडिशन से मिडल टर्म लाना था. सो this is what the answer is. The required number is 85 and 58. This was the question number 3. Have you understood this question? तो इसमें ये बात सीखने को मिली कि मान लो कि कहीं पर हम फैक्टराइज नहीं कर पा रहे, स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ द मिडल टर्म नहीं हो रहा है, तो एट दैट टाइम वी शुड हैव टू अप्लाई डिस्क्रिमिनेंट मेथड. समझ में आ रहा है? हेलो, समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
हाँ सर, समझ में
ओके
आ रहा है.
ओके. So we are proceeding for the next question, that is question number 4. The digit at 10th place of a two-digit number is 2 more than twice the digit at units place. It's a product of, if the product of digit is 24, find the two-digit number. Here also we are going to find out two-digit number, but here specifically given that the digit at tens place of a two-digit number is 2 more than twice the digit at units place. So let we will assume question number 4. Let the digit at tens place is x. Therefore, the digit at unit place is equal to, say, y. So what is the relation between x and y? So tens place of two-digit number is 2 more than twice the digit of unit place. So as per the given information, x is equal to 2y plus 2 more, 2y plus 2. Now what they have written, the product of digit is 24. The product of digit is equal to 24. So x and y, x multiplied by y is equal to 24. So we can write 2y plus 2 into y is equal to 24. So that 2y square plus 2y minus 24 is equal to 0. Therefore, taking 2 common, we will have y square plus y minus 24 is equal to 0. Now we have to factor 12. I have mistaken over here. This would be 12. Now we have to make the prime factorization of 12 such that the middle term 1 can be derived. So y square plus 4y minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. We have made the prime factorization of 12 and we got two factors. 4 3s are 12 and 4 minus 3 gives us plus 1, which is the middle term. So here we have done the splitting of the middle term. We are factorizing and we'll find the solution by using method of factorization. So I'm taking y common from first two terms. I will have y into bracket y plus 4 minus 3 is common, so I will have y plus 4 again, that is the equal to 0. So I'm taking y plus 4 bracket common. I will remain with y minus 3 bracket. So y plus 4 is equal to 0 or y minus 3 is equal to 0. That is y is equal to minus 4 or y is equal to 3. Now the digit cannot be negative. The digit cannot be negative. Y is not equal to minus 4. तो y की वैल्यू 2 हो गई, 3 हो गई. Therefore y is equal to 3. Therefore what is x? X is equal to 2y plus 2, that is 2 into 3 plus 2, that is 6 plus 2, which is 8. So y is at the unit place, x is at the 10th place. So the required number is 10x plus y, that is 10 into 8 plus 3, that is 80 plus 3, which gives you 83. So this was the question number 4. We got the answer 83. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 83 आ रहा है क्या, हम देखते हैं. Yes, we got 83 over there. Question number 4, the answer is 83. Let us do the last question, that is question number 5. Sum of the two number is 15. If the sum of their reciprocals is 3 by 10, find the two numbers. Let that two number will be let that two numbers छोटी छोटी ग्रामर की बातें भी याद रखनी चाहिए. यहाँ पर 2 जाएगा. Let those two numbers will be x and y. What the next they have given? This sum is 15. So x plus y is equal to 15, so that y is equal to 15 minus x. This is equation number 1. Another thing they have given, sum of their reciprocals is 3 by 10. Sum of their reciprocals is 3 by 10. That is 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equal to 3 by 10. Therefore, 1 upon x plus 1 upon 15 minus x is equal to 3 by 10. Understanding or not?
हाँ सर.
We are doing the cross multiplication. 15 minus x plus x divided by x into 15 minus x is equal to 3 by 10. So you can see in the numerator x is cancelled with x. This x cancel. Now we will do the cross multiplication. That means this 10 will come to the numerator and multiplied with 15 we will have 150, which is equal to 3 into x into 15 minus x. So we will have 150 is equal to 45x. Now you can do it smartly. थोड़ा easy करेंगे इसको. We will bring this 3 in the denominator over here. We will have 150 divided by 3 is equal to 15x minus x square. So 3 5 is 15. It will be cancelled out with 150. So quadratic equation becomes x square minus 15x plus 50 is equal to 0. Now, by splitting up the middle term, we can factorize this quadratic equation. So, we have to find out two factors of 50 such that their sum will be 15. So 5 tens are 15, 5 tens are 50, and their sum, that is minus 5 minus 10 का sum we will get minus 15. That is the middle term. So let us split the middle term over here. It is x square minus 5x minus 10x plus 50 is equal to 0. So taking x common, we will have x minus 5 minus 10 common, we will have x minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 5, x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 5, or x is equal to 10. So there are two values of x. So we can take the values of x and find the value of y, that is another number. So if x is equal to 5, at that time y is equal to 10 minus 5, that is sorry, not 10 minus 5, it is 15 minus 5. Y is equal to 15 minus 5, that is 10. Or you can say, if x is equal to 10, y is equal to 15 minus 10, which is equal to 5. So that two numbers are either 5 or 10 or 10 or 5. So the two numbers are 10 and 5. So two numbers are 5 and 10. This was the question number 4 of the question number 5 of the self practice. Let us see whether it is correct or not. Question number 5, yes, 5 and 10 we are correct. This is the answer. So we have done check your progress exercise 6.5. So let us sum up what we have learned in this chapter. In this chapter we have learned about quadratic equation first of all. An equation which has the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and a, b, c are real numbers, is called a quadratic equation in the standard form. So this form is the standard form. Next we have learned values of the variable which satisfies the quadratic equation are called its root or solution. The zeros of the quadratic polynomial are the roots or solutions of the corresponding quadratic equation. If you can factorize ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a does not equal to 0, into product of linear factors, then roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c can obtain by equating each factor to 0. Then we have learned roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are given by minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A does not equal to 0. It is usually denoted by capital D. So here, based on the capital D, value of capital D, we can classify our roots. If capital D is greater than 0, then the quadratic equation has two real unequal yani ki distinct roots. Second is, if D is equal to 0, then the quadratic equation has two equal roots. And if D is less than 0, then the quadratic equation has no real roots. So all these things we have learned in this topic or this unit. Now there are certain terminal exercises. I suggest you to do these exercises at your own. There are 10 questions, right? In the next period, we will consider some of the questions आप ये पूरा क्वेश्चन करिएगा, इसमें से जो भी डाउट आएगा वो हम नेक्स्ट पीरियड में डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है?
Okay.
So this is what the quadratic equation we have learned, right? Now any particular specific you can say